Good morning, grade 10. Welcome to social science class. How are you all? I hope you all are well. This is our fourth session. No, sorry, fifth session. Fourth or maybe fifth. I'm not so sure. I will see later on. Of the chapter Manufacturing Industries. We have covered topic number one in our previous videos. And the topic we have covered in our previous video was importance of manufacturing. We have discussed, uh, explained, and do the question answers of the same and the question answers also of that topic. Today we will start with our next topic, that is agro based industries. And this topic maybe we will conclude in 2 or 3 videos. So let's start. Agro based industries. Industries which obtained their raw material from agricultural production are known as agro-based industries. First of all, I will discuss the important points which we are going to cover in this topic. First, we will just put give a look on that, and after that, we will start with this topic. First is cotton, jute, silk, woolen textiles, sugar, and edible oil, etc. Industries are based on agricultural raw materials are known as agro-based industries. So I hope you came to know about the what do you mean by agro-based industries. Next is textile industry is the only industry in the country which is self-reliant. Agro textile industry is the only industry in the country which is self-reliant. Means जो self अपने ऊपर dependent है और अपने आप ही खड़ी है, वो किसी और पे dependent नहीं है. Only textile industry is the only industry in the country which is self-reliant and complete uh, in the value chain, that is from raw material to the highest value added products. Means raw material to highest value added products. We get so many products from uh, agro based industry. So this is the textile industry is the only industry which is the self reliant and complete. In ancient India, cotton textiles were produced with hand spinning and handloom weaving techniques. हैंड वीविंग मीन्स हाथ से बुनाई जाती थी. पहले बुनकर होते थे जो हाथों से वीविंग करते थे. सो इन एंशियंट इंडिया मीन्स प्राचीन भारत में, पुराने टाइम में, the first successful textile mill was established in Mumbai 1854. In the year 1854, first textile mill was established. There are over 1900 cotton and human made fiber textile mill in India. How many? 1900. The handspun khadi provides large scale employment to weavers in their homes as a cottage industry. Khadi, is the most demanding product of the agro-based industry. Nowadays, we people are completely rely on khadi. So, and khadi provides uh, employment to weavers in their homes as a cottage industry. India has the second largest installed capacity of spindles in the world with 43.13 million spindles after China. India is the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods and stands at second place as an exporter after Bangladesh. After Bangladesh, India hold the second position in the world in the for what? For the exporter of jute. There were over 80 jute mills in India. 80 jute mills are established in India. The first jute mill was set up near Kolkata in 1859 at Rishra. India stands second as a world producer of sugar but occupies the first place in the production of gur and khansari. About 60% sugar mills are in UP and Bihar. So these are the main points, you can say the summary of this topic, agro-based industries. Now let's see what is in this. First of all, we will do the cotton textiles. The first cotton in this topic, in the subtopic cotton textile, in this we will just discuss and learn about the cotton or cotton textiles. The first cotton textile mill was set up in Mumbai in 1854. The cotton textile is mainly located in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Why? This is the very important question of this topic. Why the cotton textile centralized near Maharashtra and Gujarat? And answer of this question is because availability of raw cotton as black cotton soil is present. Second, good transport facilities, including port facilities, because these are the coastal states. Availability of labor, you can say cheap labor, good moist climate, and for the production of cotton, we need a moist climate, and Maharashtra and Gujarat is famous for the moist climate. So the cotton industry is mainly textile mainly located in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Main exports from where we export this cotton to Japan, USA, UK, France, Sri Lanka, Nepal, East European countries, etc. Cotton textile is produced by three methods in India. How cotton textile is produced in India? By three methods. First is handloom, then power looms, and mills. These are the three methods by which we produced cotton. Next is cotton textile industry involves ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing, designing, tailoring, and packaging to produce ready-made garments. These all are the process involved in textile industry. Challenges to cotton textile industries. Now, what are the problems faced by the cotton textile industries? Uh, or you can say that why what challenges cotton industry is facing nowadays. First is scarcity of good quality cotton. There is a shortage of good quality of cotton, and sometimes we have had to import cotton from the other countries for the good quality, because we don't have a such good quality of cotton in our country. So there is a scarcity. Scarcity means shortage, kami hona kisi cheez ki. B point, main cotton growing area went to Pakistan. This is also the main cause. Pakistan also a good producer of cotton. So, and many of our areas are gone away to Pakistan. Old machinery in which our cotton textile industry is working is of old type of machinery. So, latest technology, latest machinery need to be set up. Erratic power supply, shortage of cut off power supply, you can say, low output of labor. Uh, Low output means where they can do, they can give good output, but they are not giving too much output. As sometimes we teachers say to our students, "Beta, your output is not so good. You can give good output." In the same manner, the labor class is showing the low output. So this is the this is also one of the main challenge of cotton industry. Tough competition from synthetic fibers. Tough competition means cotton is expensive and synthetic is cheap. So there is a competition between synthetic fibers and the cotton textile, and people go for the cheap products. So in that scenario also, they are face cotton textile industry is facing a challenge, facing a problem. See, this is the map of India, and mainly this is This map, in the index, you can see the jute, silk, woolen, and cotton textile. But this map is mainly for the states or districts mainly famous for the cotton textile. You have to make this map in your notebook also. You have to paste this. Just take a screenshot of this and make a map accordingly. And you have to paste this map in your do this map, or after doing that map, you have to paste it in your notebook. Next is jute textiles. I think you all must aware of this jute. See the products made up of jute. Let's discuss about the jute textiles. India is largest producer of raw jute and jute goods. There are about 70 jute mills in our country. So this is a matter of proud for us that India is the largest producer of raw jute and jute goods. First jute mill was set up in Risra. Risra is situated in Kolkata in 1859. Jute is used in making rope, bags, carpets, etc. All these things are made up of jute. Most of the jute mills are located along Hooghly River in West Bengal. Uh, one important question may come from this. You can make a question from this. Why the jute mills, most of the jute mills located near or along Hooghly River? Because raw jute is available for West Bengal. Is available in West Bengal, because raw jute is in the West Bengal, and Hooghly River, where Hooghly River flows, it flows in the Bengal. Inexpensive water sport. So when you uh, uh, set up your industry near the river or some uh, water resources, then the water transport cost minimize. So inexpensive water transport, a good network of railways, roadways, and waterways to facilitate movement of raw material to the mills. In the near all mills are located along with Hooghly rivers, because there is a good network of railways, roadways, and waterways to facilitate to support the movement of raw material to the mills. Abundant water for processing raw jute. Abundant means in large amount, बहुत ज्यादा. तो हुगली रिवर है, ऑब्वियसली पानी भी ज्यादा होगा, और रॉ जूट प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए रॉ जूट के प्रोसेस में हमें पानी की बहुत जरूरत होती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई the jute mills are mostly located along Hooghly River, because availability of water. Cheap labor from West Bengal and adjoining states of Bihar, Orissa, and Uttar Pradesh. And we can get very cheap labor there near Hooghly River, or you can say in West Bengal. सस्ती सस्ते मजदूरी के लिए मिल जाते हैं. Cheap labor we get there. And the adjoining states like Bihar, Orissa, and Uttar Pradesh, there is a unemployment, so we get a cheap labor. Kolkata, as a large urban center, provides banking, insurance, and port facilities for export of jute goods. So, for this, we all need insurance, banking, and port facilities. So, we get this from Kolkata. Now, the challenges faced by the industry, jute industry, is stiff competition in the international market from synthetic substitutes and from other competitors like Bangladesh, Brazil, Philippines, Egypt, and Thailand. So, this is the main problem or challenge faced by the jute industry. One is the synthetic substitutes, and other the competitors, strong competition given by these countries. In 2005, National Jute Policy was formulated with the objective of increasing productivity, improving quality, ensuring good prices to the jute farmers, and enhancing the yield per hectare. पर हेक्टेयर पे उनकी यील्ड को इनहांस करना मीन्स बढ़ाना, पैदावार को बढ़ाना. तो नेशनल पॉलिसी जो 2005 की थी, नेशनल जूट पॉलिसी, वो जो बनी, उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था, उद्देश्य क्या था? कि प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ाई जाए, उत्पादन बढ़ाया जाए, क्वालिटी बढ़ाई जाए, और जो जूट फार्मर्स हैं उनको अच्छे दाम मिले और उसकी पैदावार बढ़े. सो दिस इज द नेशनल जूट पॉलिसी ऑफ 2005. So this is all for today's class. We have covered two topics in subtopics. We have covered two subtopics under the topic agro-based industries. Tomorrow we will discuss third industry in this, that is sugar industry. And with that we will do some short questions also. I hope you all have understood these two subtopics. And tomorrow we will discuss a short 1 mark question in this of these this agro-based industries. And after that we will move on to the next topic. And students, once again, I want to tell you that you have to put a comment after watching this video. Thank you, class, and have a nice day.